give him a fucking clap. I'm done. Now fucking get off now. Can you stop watching gay videos? Like, please. Jayron!
What?
Stop watching gay videos, like. I know you're gay, like. Stop watching it. See, I knew you were gay.
No.
Yes.
You nigga. No, I'm gonna play some music.
I'm not. I'm actually gonna bleep that. Like, nah, no, stop.
You're gonna bleep that? Bleep that? What the
Yeah.
fuck do you want? What's that? What does that mean? Bleep.
Oh, mate, means you can't. Shut up. Shut up.
Read
You're
that.
like, fuck off, mate. I will I'm gonna punch you. I swear. But I wish.
Oh,
but
what
I
were you
can't
about to
because
say
it's locked
before
down,
that?
innit?
I'm a bat.
Oh my god. I was about to say I'm gonna bang your mum again. I was about to say. Okay. Oh, fam.
Aaron, I'll send you the video of what you look like.
No. Can you not? Can you not? Please. Can you not? Can you not send me a video of what I look like, please? Because that is racist.
I'll send it right now, yeah?
No, that's
Send
racist,
it,
man.
yeah? I'm
I'm gonna
gonna
take
send it.
Control.
No, don't send
I can
it. That's
find
too
it.
gay.
If
You're
I can
gay.
find it.
You're gay.
Oh, I
Shut
found
up.
it.
No, lad, please don't send it to me. Please don't. Please. I don't want to
That'd
see
be
that
the
again.
bastard, I know.
Oh, fam. I have a look. It's on Insta. Snapchat or Insta.
No zones means no victory.
Okay, let's go,
Take them
pussies.
and crush your enemies.
Oh, we're catching the sea. I'll catch your mum in bed. You're getting. Oh, please get shit on,
Captured
Key.
Zone C.
I'm coming, Key.
Oh no, we didn't die. Shotguns are pretty okay.
I defeated someone! I am not looking at that again. That is too. These guys are shit! There's gonna be someone. That. Ow! Owie!
Oh, please don't kill me.
Ow. Those two on me.
Enemy claimed Zone A.
That's. You know, they're like gang banging, don't they?
They just took the lead.
Oh, he's
We
low,
got,
he's
oh,
low.
we got the
for
lead.
revenge.
Oh no, they took the lead. You're mad.
You're mad.
Kieran,
fam.
stop dying, yeah? And help.
Alright, calm your ass down.
There's someone by me, innit? Hello, mate. Okay. I got killed. I love
Zone
it.
C lost.
Oh,
Lost C. Like what?
lad, I can't get one kill.
Like I got one kill, so shut up. Stop dying, Key. Literally. I haven't died yet. I swear. Oh no, why am I going through that?
You
That's
captured
used the
Zone A.
sniper. This sniper's pretty good, you know.
Can you move? Where did he come from?
Okay, I missed both my shots. Oh.
You're dead, aren't you? Where am I going?
I almost killed one as well.
Yep.
So crowded.
Why? There's two people on me all the time, and he's using a shitty shotgun, the little gay boy.
Hey, I died.
Damn.
Shotguns.
Hey, you died.
Everyone's using shotguns.
I know. Tell me about it.
Enemy claimed Zone B.
Let's get B. Oh, hi, mate. Hi, mate. Hi, mate. Hi, mate. Bye, mate. Bye, mate. Wanna come at me again, mate?
There's a guy behind you, retard.
Kieran, shut up!
Fucking retard.
The
You're a
enemy
neat.
has gained ground, but it's not over.
Shaq, shut the fuck up.
Suck. Deadly.
Boom! Get fucking.
Oh.
Oh, there's a guy behind me. Hello, mate. I'm your dad.
Zone C captured. You have advantage.
Again
Where
with
are
a
they?
shotgun.
Where are they?
Piss off.
Come up here. Go on, you want pussy. Pussy.
I hate shotguns. Like I don't like.
Nope.
Zone A lost.
Like the. God. We've got shit
No.
teammates.
Wow. Wow, guy invisible.
Okay, now let's get A.
Yeah, A.
Where the
I'm
yes,
not gay.
A.
I don't get A.
Kieran, you're gay. Shut the fuck up.
You captured Zone
You
A.
get gay,
Zone
though.
Yeah,
advantage
I'm
is
staying on
yours.
this objective.
Alright.
Saved you, mate. Why is no one at C?
I don't know, because they don't like hunts.
Boom. They both got these heavy charges. Thank you. Now I've got 2. Let's roll.
I'm about to bust. Aaron, help me.
Shut up. I'm getting C back.
Shotguns are way too OP.
Yeah, but he's using. I don't know what's that.
Oh,
One
I'm
of
getting
thorns.
sniped. Man,
don't-
fucking wrecking me.
Well, we got 2 objectives, so that's good. We need to go back to
That
A.
hand cannon seems to not work for me anymore. I used to be really
They're getting
good
A.
with it.
There's
Now it's-
there might be 2 on A. Well, I got
Oh,
2
well,
charge.
I don't give a fuck. Shut your mouth, like.
Double down.
Boom. Yeah, we're gonna wait for it. I think we got. Yeah, we got A back.
You captured Zone A.
Boom.
You have zone advantage.
Thank you.
Hey,
Now we need to
get
get,
fucked.
I'm gonna.
Hey, double kill.
Oh, fuck off, mate. Me?
Shut up,
You
no,
put,
no one talks to you. Stop being sad.
why the fuck are you talking to me then?
Wow. Shotgun. Shotguns are one-shot
Only
kill.
5 minutes left.
Yes, I know, because you're low level.
Nigga.
Ah! Shotguns,
Shotgun.
man.
He just runs up to you. Boom.
Yeah, I know. Runs up to me, so like, boom, you're dead. Pissed off.
It's really annoying. Shotguns are.
Yeah, I know they are. Well, we're winning.
I
Well,
get
we're
one.
losing.
Oh, I got my stupid charge.
Oh, he's dead. Fuck off, you shotgun! Oh, there's another guy.
Double down. And that's
you
why
got
we
double,
have
thank
fire
you.
teams.
Mate, man,
Oh.
low how.
This is amazing.
I'm on 5k streak, you mad?
Oh, he's behind me. Fucking.
Yeah, out. Ah, he killed. Oh, my streak's gone now. Thank you for friendship me, whatever your name is. They're getting C. And let's
Yeah.
get an A.
Zone C lost.
What? Mate, this gun's really shit. Where's that other gun then?
Nigga.
Okay, please stop saying that.
Nigga.
Okay. They're getting.
Zone A lost. Your enemy has a power play.
Yeah, but then we're gonna get C back. You mad?
You captured
I'm trying to
Zone
get
C.
B.
Well, I'm gonna get A. You come with me.
I'm gonna go A.
I'm getting A. With you.
Yeah, same.
3 minutes remaining.
Yeah, guy. Got him. Another guy.
Oh. I almost hit him with the knife. Fuck it. Got a shotgun.
Got him.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, someone just saved my back. Ow, that hurt.
Zone A
That really hurt.
captured. You have advantage.
Yeah, but this is only 1 ammo for.
Oh.
Oh, the shotguns, man. Someone offended me, thank you. Just Still on 2.
Zone C
He's got a
lost.
shotgun.
Oh,
He's got a
that's
shotgun.
right. Where's that guy then?
Got him.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
I'm gonna change guns because this gun's actually really shite.
Shotgun. I get
Where?
Where we literally just were like behind me.
Zone C captured. You have advantage.
Oh, shotgun again. Fuck.
I'm lagging.
My neck, my back, stuck my pussy and my crap.
I like lagging, don't I?
Only 1 minute left.
I'm gonna get B.
Zone A lost.
Yep. Boom.
Come B.
Oh, how
They're
did
gonna
that?
start coming B now.
No, they're
Zone
getting
B
C at the
captured.
moment.
You have zone advantage.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got B. Nice.
Oh.
Yep,
Mel
that guy
died,
with the
like,
sword.
Really OP.
30 seconds remaining.
The golden pistols are OP as hell, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh god. No. Oh,
Saved you.
Yeah, the shotgun.
No, that wasn't you. I thought it was me.
Another guy.
I'm coming.
10
We only got 10
seconds.
seconds, so I might not make it there. Yeah, I'm here.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Defeat comes for us all.
Biggie.
Well, I got some good shit.
You've got to hold those zones. Maybe next time, Guardian.
Hej, jeg nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør